This presentation is about the molecule phenylalanine, which is involved in the disorder PKU. First, we will go over a few facts about phenylalanine. There are 9 essential amino acids, and phenylalanine is one of them. Essential amino acids cannot be made by the body and must therefore be obtained from food. There are 3 different forms of phenylalanine. The first listed here is the L form, the natural form found within proteins. The second is the D form, which is produced in the laboratory. And finally, the DL form, which is just a combination of the 2 forms previously mentioned. Now we will discuss how phenylalanine is used in the body. Once a food containing phenylalanine is ingested, the body begins changing phenylalanine into tyrosine, which is another essential amino acid. The only difference in molecular structure between phenylalanine and tyrosine is that tyrosine has an additional hydroxyl group, or OH group, which can be seen here. Tyrosine is needed to make proteins and brain chemicals, such as epinephrine and thyroid hormones. Tyrosine also aids in melanin production, which is a pigment responsible for hair and skin color. It helps in organ function as it is responsible for making and regulating hormones. And last but not least, it is involved in the structure of almost every protein found in the body. Now we will discuss PKU. PKU is an autosomal recessive disorder, which is caused by mutations in both alleles of the gene for phenylalanine hydroxylase, abbreviated PAH, and is found on chromosome 12. This is a problem because PAH is what converts phenylalanine into tyrosine. This disorder is inherited and affects 1 in 10,000 to 15,000 babies. If both parents are carriers of the PKU gene, they will have a 25% chance with each pregnancy of having a child with PKU. There are 3 different types of PKU. Non-PKU and variant PKU are the least severe. The most severe form is known as classical PKU. This is a dangerous form because infants can appear normal at first, but once they are a few months old, signs and symptoms may begin to appear. If PKU is not treated, phenylalanine can build up to harmful levels in the body, which can cause a number of serious problems. These problems include permanent intellectual disabilities, seizures, delayed development, and behavioral problems. A musty odor may come from skin due to excess phenylalanine in the body as well. PKU testing is required by every state in the U.S. The Guthrie test typically takes place between 24 and 48 hours after a newborn is born. During this test, a doctor will pinprick the newborn's heel and soak the blood onto collection cards, known as Guthrie cards, which inhibit the growth of bacteria. However, this inhibition of bacterial growth can be overcome by high levels of phenylalanine. After incubating the Guthrie cards overnight, the diameter of the growth zone around the disc is compared to that of a control disc of which a known quantity of phenylalanine was added. This allows one to estimate the amount of phenylalanine present on the test card. If levels are found to be too high, additional genetic, blood, and urine tests by both the parent and the child ensue to confirm the diagnosis. Treatment of PKU is a lifetime endeavor involving frequent blood tests, growth charts, and dietary records. People with PKU need to avoid certain foods, which are listed here. Infants are required to drink a specific phenylalanine formula. Older children and adults also have to continue to drink or eat a protein substitute formula daily. Additionally, some doctors may recommend the FDA-approved drug sapropterin for treatment, as it increases the tolerance to phenylalanine when in combination with a standard PKU patient's diet. Thank you for watching.